Hello trader, and this is the first video about my series video about how to build the trading career from the zero to professional level. Here's a completely free course for the new trader who start learning about trading to save time and save money. The first one I want to tell you before you start learning anything related to the trading about the mindset. I always tell you about the mindset. The mindset is a very important thing. Like you drive a car, having the map, the Google map, to know whether you already go in the right way or not. If you go in the wrong way, it means that even you pay more the efforts, pay more the times, you cannot achieve any targets, any the results in the near futures. So about for the trading, for example, you pay 5 years, you pay 4 years to learning to be an engineer like me in the university for the 4 years, 5 years, and after graduation you only can earn $400 or $500 per month. You have to pay 4 years to earn $400 per month. But now you are learning about trading, the career can help you to earn $10,000 per month. So if you can pay 4 years, 5 years, that is very normal and reasonable. But right here, if you can understand and having a course, very logical course, and having a mentors, it only takes you from the 6 months to 1 year. It's a super reasonable for you. I already share with you about how to be profitable, how long it can take from you. 3 to 6 months if you have the right mentors, and 1 year if you have only learning from the courses. If you learn by yourself, it can take you 4 to 5 years like you learning in the university, right? So the first thing, times, efforts, and motivation, that are 3 things you have to have during learning about trading. Have no any exception, right? Have to pay the time, pay the efforts, and pay the motivation. Let's be top 1% of trader. All your dream will become true. That is my sentence. I always tell with my student during learning any my course and even learning my bootcamp. Right here is a free course. I also remind again that sentence. Let's be top 1% trader. Have no any the way for you to be richer. How to be top 1% person in any job, and now is trading. For example, right here, I will give you one example to know why you have to pay a lot of time, effort, and motivation. Right here, you can see I'm having the quite good chance with the goal on the June of 2023. You can see right over here to having a good chance like this on the real market. We have to analyze many things. The first thing we have to analyze right here about the trend of the market. For me, to have the entry, I need to analyze. The first one is the trend of the market. I will write right over here to help you easier to remember. Trends. The first one is a trend. The second one is zones, and the third one is a confirmation. Right? Trends now you can see right over here the markets greater, lower low, lower high like this. The first high right here, the second high is lower than the first high right here, and here is the first low, and here is second low, lower low, lower high, and here also the same thing. Therefore this time we can confirm here is the downtrend of the market, and the zone right here can be the key level. For example, for this case is a key level. I always tell my student about the 2 type zone. The first one is key level. The second one is a PY zone of the smart money concept. The strategies I teach very carefully on the Udemy course. And right here, we have the downtrends, and we have the zone that the market need to retest in the futures right here. And when the markets come into the zone right here, I can see the double top pattern right here. The first high, I will open the 50 minutes time frame. You can see the double top pattern easier. The first top right here, second top right here. Therefore I entry right over here and having a good chance of the market. And trend zone confirmation. Learning one thing like the chain, learning one thing like zone and confirmation need you a lot of time to practice, to learn the theory, practice, and then master it. When you can understand all of these things and all these things come into the mind very detailed and carefully, at that time you can analyze the charts very confident. And when you're confident in the high level, it means that when you only need to check the charts very quickly like this, just in the 15 seconds, you can see the trend of the markets, you can see the zone of the markets and confirmation of the markets. At that time, you can actually very confident. And if you already confident, you can control the trade, control the risk management really well. How about the control risk management? For example, for this case, when the markets move from my entry play right over here, I can see the markets already run quite far from my entry play with a really strong down momentum. One big Maruza candle right here, second big Maruza candle right here. Therefore, this time I can move my stop loss from this level to the entry play, and at this time have no any risky for my trade. Therefore, at this time I can take a sleep without worry about my trade. And that is a confidence when you can master chain, zone, confirmation, risk management skill, anything from the markets. And all those things need time, need effort, need motivation. We as a trader, we want to be the trader, we want to be the top 1% person, we want to be the richer of the markets. Therefore, we have to pay the effort, time, and motivation. No exception. You have to do it, and you can do it. I can do it, and have no reason you cannot do it, right? So try hard. That's the first thing about the mindset.